Hello and welcome. Our today's topic is really very interesting. I'm not going to talk about topic name right now. I want you to feel this and then we will solve this problem. So let's start. First of all, here I have one web server and application load balancer. Now this application load balancer is actually origin of my CloudFront distribution. Now, if you have load balancer as an origin and if you are serving your website using CloudFront distribution, and if you found any error, whatever the error that you are getting into the load balancer, you will get same error while you will access your website using CloudFront distribution. And this error is actually not so user friendly. Let me explain you this practically. Let's say that I have one load balancer right now. I have my EC2 instance with web server and then I have load balancer as well. I'm able to open my website using this load balancer and this is my website. Now, what I'm doing, I'm going to create CloudFront distribution. So going to the CloudFront, I have one distribution. Let's do not touch this. Let's create the new one. So I'm going to click on create distribution. Here as an origin, I will definitely choose my application load balancer and it is HTTP right now. Not going to touch anything. Yes, going to disable the cache here because if I will enable this, then we cannot switch over so fast. So right now for testing purpose, I'm just going to disable the cache and not going to touch anything. Yes, I do not want to use web application firewall. So I'm just going to click on distribution. Now, once you have your distribution ready, it will take some time because it is in a deploying state right now. So wait. After that, we will try to open website. I'm just going to delete my older distribution. This is URL. Let's try to open this. No, it will not allow me because it is always taking some time to open. So once I'm able to open this, I will come back. Okay, after 2 minutes of waiting, I'm able to open this web page. Now everything is good right now, but we want to generate some error. Now to generate this error, what I am doing, we have this web server here and I'm going to remove port number 80 from the security group of this web server. Definitely when I will remove this, I am not able to open website and at the end we will get some error. So let's do this. So here I am inside my EC2 dashboard, going to the EC2 instance, selecting this EC2 instance, going to the security, and here in the security group, I am going to remove this HTTP port. Now, if I will try to open website using load balancer's URL, definitely it will throw me error. Now it will take time because the website is coming from the cache. So if I will try to open again, okay, definitely I will get some error. And if you will open your website using CloudFront URL as well, you will get the same error. Look at this. I'm getting 504 gateway timeout error. Now if I'm going to open CloudFront URL, I will get same. It means whatever the load balancer is actually throwing error, same error is actually coming here, even when I'm going to open website using CloudFront URL. Now you have your business is totally depend on your website. Somehow, if your website is down and if user is going to get this kind of message, they cannot trust your business. Yes, we already discussed about failover and all this, but all these are very expensive. You have to run multiple load balancer. You have 4 EC2 instances running at all the time. But some company don't have this budget. They thought that, okay, if our server or website goes down, we don't need to worry about this. We just want to send them user-friendly message. Definitely, we don't want to send this kind of message, which is actually not user-friendly. We want to give them a proper message. Now, in this case, we have one option here. In your CloudFront distribution, you can set up error pages. It means don't throw this kind of error, send them beautiful error message. Now here, if you want to use this, the first thing is you have to have beautiful web page that you want to display. So in this case, I am going to the S3. Here I have one S3 static web hosting. This is S3 page. Here it is a static web hosting and my bucket is 100% public. It means it is just a normal static web hosting website. Now inside this bucket, you have to create one folder. Now please create this folder. It is compulsory. So I just created one folder error. And here it is a one file known as index.html. You can give any name. Okay. So I want to display this. Okay. So if my web page is not available, right now 504 error is coming. Instead of this, I want to display this web page. So user can understand there is a problem and we will come back very soon. So now, how we can set up this? Before we are going to set up this particular error page, we have to go to the distribution. Here we have one origin. We are going to add another origin. So let's go to the origin and here we are going to use S3 static web hosting as an origin. So this is my bucket name. I am going to use my endpoint of S3 static web hosting, HTTP, yes. Not going to change anything, create origin. So I just created another origin. Now you may thinking that, okay, now you will add them and create origin group. No, we don't want to go with this solution. We already completed this. Okay. Now, once you add this S3 bucket as origin, then you have to go to the error pages. Now here you can click on custom error response. Now what error we are getting? 504. So choose error code 504. You can create multiple error pages. Here we are saying that, okay, we want to send customized response. Now we know that our web page is in error.index.html. So error, this is structure, right? Error index.html. So we have to add this. And yes, we want to send response to the customer 504. So now I'm going to click on create custom response. Now you are thinking that everything is done and we are able to open this. No, there are something that we need to understand. Otherwise you cannot perform this lab. So what is the idea? If user is going to get 504 error, we want to send them to the error index.html. But we have multiple distribution. How CloudFront can decide that to which distribution I have to send this. Okay. So, sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.